It's your special day, time to celebrate. You're another year older, don't you hesitate. Cake and candles, presents and joy. Happy birthday to you, you're the real McCoy. Happy birthday, you.
I'm about to bring this one back to life now. Alright, so gotta fix that. Tons of bearing material. This was actually pretty clean. The magnet, if you can see that, but that drain plug magnet caught so much. This is what was in. This is everything caught right here. Shiny shit. It's a nice little big clump right here. Looking for gold. More. Look at this. That's old bearing. So before I start disconnecting them, I'm gonna go get the new parts from the other side of the house, and then get to the cleaning. A lot of cleaning. All right. That's what it is. Found it. It is number one. Or number 6. Whatever. It's this one right here. So I checked all the other ones. They seem happy, but I have a whole new set, so we're just gonna do that and send a brand new set. And here, what the fuck is this? Yeah, lots of cleaning to do. All right, so that's where I'm at. I'm about to get to the cleaning. I've actually had this stuff laying around for a while. Just waiting for the right time and moment to use it. But the ACL race bearings, right? ARP rod bolts. So this, I'm not sure if I'm gonna put it on. This is a billet ECS tuning crankshaft pulley. And I've heard these things sometimes rattle motors apart because there's no dampener in there compared to the stock one that's dampened or balanced. I don't know. I think I might do it anyway because I have another block right there. And this block is like semi-hurt already, you know, but I have another block right there, spare one, and that's already set up for boost. Same compression ratio, injectors, exact same thing. Only difference is the intake. So it'd be as easy as just swapping the intake manifold, my alternator. I think that's got a billet crack pipe as well. I'm not sure, but if not, just swapping like a handful of shit over in the hoses, you know, in the oil pan, the valve cover, and sending it again. So I think I might say fuck it and send this pulley. Maybe. We'll see. Anyway, moving on. I've had this laying around got another cylinder head that's over at Colvin's and back at home, Long Island, where they've got a cylinder head with valves and cams. This one's just gonna get the cams. But these are nope, no information. Yes, no information. I believe they are. They're Auto Tech cams. I'll figure it out or find out. You know. Anyway, I'm about to put these cams in. I'm just trying to squeeze more power out of it, that's all. Hello. These goddamn chipmunks. I've been out here early. Nice and clean. It's time for reassembly. Finally hit the halfway mark. Rotating assembly's all set. Nice and smooth, new bearings. New main bearings. All right. It's the old shit, it's the new shit. But first is going to be, all right, here it is. All right, just hit these with 40 pounds, I already set it. All right, I'm gonna grab a drink. Shiny. All right, our pan's on. Our Mishimoto magnetic drain plug is on. Our crank is on. Our pistons are in. They're all happy. I'm about to do timing next, and then we're off to, just got the head back on. Got this on. I didn't really separate that, but got the head on. Rotating assemblies nice and smooth. Base bearings. I'm just torquing it down right now. There she is, off the cherry picker. I started snapping up some of this shit and doing the coolant lines and stuff, but I figured that was the perfect time to do these lines over. I'm fucking starving. I hate having to take all these breaks just to fucking eat. But I'm gonna go eat something and we'll come back to this. Charging the battery. About to hit these axle bolts, and I'm in the car, fuel pump. But front clip is on. It's looking all right. I'll put it back on the floor in a second. Hello. Look who's awake.